yeah, I would really, yeah, so if anybody knows what tools I could use, the right tools for carving ice, that would be great. This is gonna fit in here. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. I can start the video now. It's cocktail time, and it's a lazy Friday today. I don't want to do anything complicated today. I just want to enjoy my spirit of choice and just relax. I'm not going to get to the relax part because I got another busy day ahead of me, but I can at least enjoy my spirit. So we're making a highball today, and that's, I don't care. And the highball is like the simplest of cocktails. And we've had, and you've been, if you've had a drink, you've had a highball probably. A rum and Coke, Jack and Coke, 7 and 7, Scotch and soda. All of these are technically a highball. Because a highball is just your spirit of choice and some bubbly liquid. So grab your favorite spirit of choice, and grab your favorite bubbly liquid, and let's make a cocktail in the glass today. I'm not even going to use a jigger today. So I'm just going to put my ice into my glass, and I'm going to use roughly 2 ounces of Scotch in mine, because I'm going to do a Scotch and soda, because I like a Scotch and soda. And then we pour our bubbly liquid over top of it. How can you drink a Scotch and soda, Tom? You have to like Scotch. There we go. We could be fancy and we could garnish it with a lime wedge if we want, or something like that. You know, I could be like, yay, look, I made something fancy. But I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna put a little straw in there, stir that around, and really just, I don't like straws. Yeah, man. Yes. This is like almost my favorite thing. It's like it's I enjoy Scotch. This is a very approachable one if you're not into Scotch or you're worried about it. It's the Glenlivet 12 single malt Scotch whiskey. It's very well, it's for a beginner Scotch person. I got it because it's cheap, and you can get it at Costco. So I recommend it. But if you're a Captain Morgan and Coke, or my wife's a big fan of the Coca-Cola and Malibu, 7 and 7. If I wanted to mix this up with my Scotch or another whiskey, I could have thrown ginger beer in, or I got this pamplemousse sparkling water, which is really just like grapefruit and something else. But yeah, like this isn't something where we're trying to hide the booze. This is something where we're celebrating it, and we're making it sweeter or not sweeter depending upon our palate. I like things a little dry, hence the soda water. Yeah, that's today's video. There's no bonus or anything other than the fact that I've cut out some time this weekend to like knock a couple of these out, so this way I don't have to panic every Friday morning. And yeah, I hope everybody has a great weekend. If you like these videos, like the video. Tell your friends about it. And if you want to see when these new videos come out, if I do anything else, you want to be notified, go subscribe to the YouTube channel. Just click the little button, and then you can ring the little bell there, and that will, let you know when I post something. Anyway, I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Cheers. I don't know why I said cheers. That's stupid.